Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Our next step is to be able to slide the fin unit over the top of the fins. If you have a lot of paint on yours, like I have on mine, it can be really tight. And then on the inside, right here, it gets caught. One of the edges of the tube will get caught on that lip. So there's that lip on the inside, and it wants to get caught on there. So we need to sand that edge so it has a little chamfer so that the tube can ride up over the top of it and get in there. And I've already gone and done this one right here. And the other thing that we want to do is we want to sand off any paint that's on the inside of this edge. And to do that, take a BT50 or 24 millimeter tube, wrap some medium grit sandpaper around it, and then just gently sand just like this to remove any paint. Again, this is just to take off a little bit of paint so that it will slide in onto these tubes easier, because we don't want to scuff all these things up because we got a nice finish on them already. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to sand off this edge. And I've got some rough grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to do the whole edge. Okay, we're ready to put this onto the tubes. First thing is to make sure you got it in the right spot. So find position 1, which is the dividing line between all black and all white. When we put this on, we want a black tube right here in line with the black. So I'm kind of orienting it around. Okay, and we slide it down. I need to get it past this ring right here. Come on, you can go. I want to avoid grabbing it by the fins because fins can break. Trying to grab it on the transition and then pull. I want it to pull all the way down so that this ring touches the top of that little lip that we just sanded. And you want to make sure it's nice and straight. And then this nozzle unit will go on the inside like that. Okay, so we want this just a little bit flush. So I'm going to push it up just a hair. Like that. Okay, and that was a nice fit right there. Again, check one more time, make sure it's straight. And then on the inside, we're going to put a fillet of glue around here, and I'm using super glue, but you could also use wood glue here if you're going paper to paper. If there's any paint in there, you'll need to sand that off if you want to use wood glue. Any paint, that is. Okay. I'm just going to smear it around. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to have to touch up where it's scuffed it up a little bit. This is going to get covered by a decal, so I'm not worried about it too much. Overall, it looks pretty good. We're making progress. As soon as this is dry, you can test fit this again, but I want to make sure it's dry because I don't want to be able to have it stuck in there.